गुड इवनिंग ऑल। आज हम एक बहुत ही अनोखी चीज़ आपके सामने लेके आए हैं। अनोखी इन सेंस मेरे बचपन की यादें हैं और अगर मैं वैसे बोलूँ तो आजकल इन चीज़ों को बहुत कम देखा जाता है। तो मैं क्या बोलने वाला हूँ, जो कोरोना पेंडेमिक है उसके बाद जो एक सेगमेंट सबसे ज़्यादा अफेक्ट हुआ था या फिर आप बोलो कि इंक्रीज़ हुआ है उसका साइज़, दैट इज़ द साइकिलिंग डिपार्टमेंट विच इज़ देयर। सो एंड साइकिल इज़ अ सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग टूल एज आई वुड से, बिकॉज उसके साथ अगर आप जाएंगे तो देन आपके आसपास कोई भी रहे, एटलीस्ट 3 फुट या 6 फुट की दूरी ऑलरेडी बनी रहती है। तो सबसे अच्छी चीज़ ये है कि एक बचपन की याद थी जो मुझे थी, तो और वो मैंने पूरी की। मुझे इंटरनेट पे वो साइकिल मिली और मैंने वो ऑर्डर किया और लास्ट वीक ही मेरे पास आई। तो काम के प्रेशर की वजह से मैं वीकेंड पे ही आज निकल पाया। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपको दिखाते हैं क्या है। हियर इट इज फॉर योर आइज। दिस इज द BSA SLR which I wanted to have since my childhood, and let me show you the cycle from the front. It's a pure classic design wherein you will find very slim tires, caliper brakes, and the good old BSA logo, which is still the same. I loved it. And you find the rims in chrome and the spokes are also in the chrome, but the spokes are just braided ones, and the rims are the same as it used to come in my childhood. I'm an 80s kid, so you can assume that what I am telling you about, and you can also relate to it in case you have seen these SLR bikes in your younger days. And now let's focus onto the frame. It's a 21 inches frame, and the highlight of the frame is the stickering, which has been done in a fantastic way. These BSA SLR stickers are new, and the Photon branding, the EX, there is a Photon BSA SLR, so they have modified they introduced a new model here. And what remains the same, I would say, these stickers, which I loved because these remain the same. And now it has been produced by the TI Group of India, which belongs to the Murugappa Group now. They bought the they bought the BSA group of cycles once the Tube Investments of India took over. So hence they are also producing these cycles in a very limited number. But as far as the corona pandemic goes, the cycling department is getting bigger and bigger. Hence I had a discussion with the dealer as well, from which I brought this cycle. So he was telling that there is a shortage of these models, so I wanted to get this cycle in a maroon color, but somehow they have stopped the maroon color now. So this is the one, and the BSA branding and the Photon branding on the seats as well. So as we come for the rear section of the cycle, same old caliper brakes, and you'll notice this is the lock which we used to cherish. So I loved this lock. Once my photographer can show you the lock. So this is a good old vintage lock. Let me lock it and show it to you. So this is how it is. You have the key here, just press it and then again come off. So it is a fantastic lock, and I find it very useful, and better than the ones which are coming these days onto the cycle, which are the cable locks. And now if we move to the rear of the cycle, you have a good old carrier here, but this carrier is also new in terms of what used to come into the cycle in the 80s. So it was a thinner one. The pipes were thinner and it was in chrome earlier. So now they have modified it quite a bit, and here if you can come, the stand is also a standard one, but this stand was also chrome when this cycle used to come in the 80s. And good old mud guards are there. So these are now black colored, They are in contrast because it gives the cycle a good look. The rear and the front mudguards are in black, and the whole cycle frame and the front fork is in blue color. So I'll tell you one more thing, for one more unique thing about the front fork. The front fork was not this one which used to come. So there was a bar here, and there were two empty slots, and there was a lock here. It was a unique feature of the SLR, which was the front fork lock, but sadly they have stopped it now. So all in all, a great cycle and a great vintage design. And let me show you one more thing. Come on, please. The handle also remains the same, but this weld has been done to extend the handle a bit for for a longer rider. So it is a very comfortable posture, and you have the TI branding here, so seems good. And levers are also I would say aluminum finished, but this side is the fiber one, and this seems to be metal as of now. So the braking is also good. You get a reflector here. Earlier this reflector was not there when it was earlier there, but there was the TI badging. So let me go behind the cycle once again. Let me shift the cycle to this one. So here, if you see, there is a reflector given. This is a new reflector. The earlier cycles used to have a white portion until this part, and the reflector was affixed onto this. So this reflector was in round. So now this mode seems to be in a oval shape. And the pedals, let me come over here and show it to you. The pedals are plastic ones. The earlier pedals were the rubber pedals, which used to flip-flop here and there. So I would say these are much better pedals, and it's a good old single speed bike. It's a good old single speed bike. So you have the hub and the gear there, and one unique thing which remains the same is this TI branding was also on the crank. So it's a 32 teeth crank here, and the TI badging remains the same. I hope you will be able to see from here. And one more thing which has changed is the chain cover. The chain cover used to be a full cover, likewise here, and this was supposed to be in the color of this bicycle only, but now this comes in contrasting black color here. Okay, and what else? These reflectors are new, right? And these wires are of cables are of good quality here now. Compared to the earlier ones, now the quality has improved for the cables as well. And if you'll see, I have done some modifications here. I would say not a modification. I would say just I have modified, stuck transparent tape here to protect the paint as well as the cable once it rubs here when you turn the cycle. So here also I have done the same thing. And onto the stickering itself, I have also done the same thing onto each of the ends, because the stickering can also get damaged once because in Mumbai's humid weather this seems to come off. So that is why I took a precautionary measure and took this as well, done this as well. And I haven't removed this covering from the mudguards. I'm supposed to remove it just to show you. So this is all I would say about the cycle. It's a very comfortable, very fast, and it's a very smooth cycle, I would say. I have ridden it around 10 to 15 kilometers as of now, but fantastic. And the core strength of the cycle remains the same as it was supposed to be in the yesteryears. So just cherish the cycle, and I loved this cycle, hence I bought it. So you also cherish the cycle, and you may find it a bit of the nostalgic era which can take you towards your childhood. Okay, so I'll ask the photographer to show you the cycle once again from the front to the back. You can see here there is TI branding on this here as well. So this, you know, accentuates the effect of the detail which has been mentioned onto the product. And on the hubs as well, I have seen the TI badging. Let me show you. Here it is, the TI badging on the hubs, front and rear. Fantastic detailing, and you would find the same detailing onto the rims as well. What else we can show? This is all about, I believe. So enjoy the video, and we'll put up some still shots as well for your eyes only. Thank you for watching. Thanks a lot.